Tako ravno kar se je končalo druženje novinarjev z reprezentanti Združenih držav Amerike, ki bodo v petek na Ellis Parku v Johannesburgu igrali izjemno pomembno tekmo s Slovenijo. Novinarji smo se lahko skoraj da 1 uro pogovarjali tudi z največjimi zvezdniki, Landonom Donovanom, kapetanom Carlosom Bocanegro in pa Clintom Dempseyjem, strelcem prvega zadetka Američanov na tem prvenstvu proti ekipi Anglije. Američani se zavedajo, da bo naslednja tekma proti Sloveniji za njih izjemno pomembna. Skoraj da morajo zmagati, zato so samozavestni in prepričani, da lahko osvojijo 3 točke. Ampak na drugi strani o izbrancih Matjaža Keka govorijo izjemno spoštljivo. Zavedajo se, da to ni ekipa, ki ima zvezdnike tipa Rooney, Gerrard ali Lampard, ampak gre za izjemno homogeno, kompaktno moštvo, ki ve, kaj hoče. Američani se sicer na nadaljevanje prvenstva pripravljajo nedaleč od Pretorije. V majhnem mestecu Aerin, okoli katerega oziroma okoli njihovega hotela pa vidimo krave, ovce in pa slone, ki se tukaj mirno sprehajajo. Američani so potožili, da se tukaj počutijo nekoliko izolirane od ostalega sveta, ampak to jim vsekakor ne škodi pri mirni pripravi na nadaljevanje prvenstva. Vsekakor, tako kot Slovenci, na Ellis Parku pričakujejo izjemno bučno podporo svojih navijačev. Kakšen bo rezultat, si ne upajo napovedati, vsekakor pa se zavedajo, da s Kekovimi izbranci ne bo lahko. Toliko za zdaj iz Pretorije.
To get a result against a good team, you know, that's impressive. They kept the ball well. You know, I really can't comment too much about the game, you know, because I only saw the last 20 minutes of it. But you know, we know it's going to be a tough game. I got to see them play against Russia, and you know, they did a good job in that game against a tough opponent and grinding out and getting results. So, you know, it's going to be a tough game. We know that even before this, even though there was a lot of talk about us versus England, you know, everybody knew that we still had Algeria and Slovenia to play, and we know that those games are going to be tough, and that everybody, for every team, is going to be fighting as hard as they can, because how many times you get to play in a World Cup, and how many times in your life you get to do something special, and everybody wants to do that. So that's what's so exciting about the World Cup. That's why everybody comes here, because it's a chance to see something great. And you know, I think Slovenia's a good team, but I hope for our sake that, you know, we're the better team.
Are you the favorites?
And you have to win this game, actually.
We can't lose, that's for sure. If we lose, then that's pretty much it. So it's not a must-win, but we can't lose.
Is this a huge pressure on your team?
There's pressure every game. You have to play every game like it's your last, and that's been our mentality from the first game.